Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Mitsubishi Outlander. Stock number is 17M146A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Up top you do have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. Your four-wheel drive controls are down here as well. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mitsubishi on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.